Hey guys, parked beside this at work today. Not sure whose it is. Looks to be in pretty good shape. 3/4 ton F250 Super Cab. XLT air conditioning. Looks like it's an automatic truck as well. F250. Running boards. Looks to be all somewhat original. I believe that's a 77 grille. Tinted back window. It's got the Ford visor on it. The seat cover you see on all of them. I believe those are the 77 roof lights as well. Looks like it's got the dual tank. Chrome back bumper and full XLT trim, but it looks like it doesn't have the XLT on the back of the box, which maybe that's a difference for 77. Hard to say. The XLT on the back of the box could be something different. And being as it's just parked beside me, I have no idea what size engine it is, but pretty cool.